Hi, this is Alicia from WorkersOnBoard.com. Thank you for checking out this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the join or subscribe button right below this video. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about a few data entry jobs that are hiring right now that you can do right from your home office. One of them pays really well and another one comes with benefits, so make sure you stay tuned for that to find out all the details, as well as an easy work at home job that's entry level, no experience or selling required. It is seasonal, but it's a great way for you to kind of get your foot into the door from working from home. Speaking of working from home, if you all want more advice, more job leads, or you want to tell us what's on your mind and share with us your own personal work at home journey, you can continue the discussion in our Facebook group, Workers on Board Community, and tell us how your experience has been thus far. If you've been able to make money from home, if you've been able to do a side gig, if you've worked a job, if you're doing some freelance, or whatever it is that you have been doing or what you want to do and have not yet been able to do, you can share with us how you feel and what your goal is in our Facebook group. So click on the link right below this video. We would love to get to know you a little bit better and to be able to encourage you as you continue to navigate your way to finding a way to work from home. Now, an update regarding the live chat. I did get a few comments regarding what you would like for me to talk about in the live chat, and so I'm thinking about doing it this coming Thursday at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hopefully this will work for your schedule. If it does not, please leave me a comment below this video. Give me a suggestion or a recommendation. I would like to have as many people as possible be able to interact with me during the live chat. If you're not able to do it, then you could still watch the video, but you will not be able to get to talk to me or comment or whatever, and me be able to see it during the live chat. Now, this will be my first time doing it, so if you have some tips or suggestions, and if you've done a live chat before, I really would appreciate you giving me some feedback so that I will know what to expect. So I'm going in kind of blindsided. Of course, I will do a little bit of research first, but if you have done a live chat before here on YouTube, please let me know what it's like and give me some suggestions and leave me a comment so that I'll be a little bit more prepared when I go to do it coming up this week. Thank you so much in advance. So before I get into the jobs, I wanted to share with you quick thoughts. Now, I had talked about it before, but this is an app that you can download for free on Google Play or the App Store, and you will get paid to share your thoughts. Now, you can do it on either on your smartphone or your tablet, and sometimes they will invite you to complete longer studies, market research studies, and then you'll get even more money. So give it a try if you haven't already, and if you're having issues because of an update that they did through their app, please make sure you contact the company so that you can get that resolved. Also, Pinecone Research is still looking for people only in a select demographic right now to join their panel. They will pay you $3 per product survey to actually give your opinion on different products for brands and companies all over the world. And so they need consumers to do this, and they will reward you and compensate you in the form of payment in cash. So if you are either between the ages of 18 to 24, if you're a male, or if you are Hispanic or Asian, make sure you join this panel. You can only do it by invitation only, and if you sign up and you don't fit in that particular demographic, or for some reason it says that they have enough people in your particular category, don't give up, because they will open it up to a larger and broader spectrum throughout the year. So right now they have a specific demographic, but if you can join, please do it so that you can, get paid for your opinion. And a lot of time they need you to test products in your home that you can keep so that you'll get these free products in addition to the money that you make. So it's really a good survey panel that you can join. And so make sure you do so right below this video. And I'll have the links to Pinecone and Quick Thoughts right below this video. This other company will pay you to save energy in your home. They will pay you about $300 a year to do this. They want you to use energy when it's the cleanest and then not to use it when it's dirty. And so a lot of times it will be in the afternoon hours. They want you to kind of limit your energy consumption use in your home, and they will pay you to do this. Now, in order to get paid for doing this, you do need to sign up, and they're specifically looking for customers from PG&E, SCE, and SDG&E electric companies. So if you have service through any one of these providers, then you could definitely get paid to do this from home. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with that. Also, really quickly, LNE Research has a lot of paid studies right now that you can sign up for technology, and it'll pay you $100. You do need to be between the ages of 18 to 54. Also for household products. Now, this is an in-person study. You have to live in either of these two cities, but you can get paid $175 to participate in that. So you will have to come on site, possibly need to wear a mask, but most of the studies are done online. And so if you happen to have a Pixel phone, 1 or 2, then you can complete a study that pays $200. You need to be at least 18 in order to qualify for that. And then they also have other studies about closet organization. Also, looking for people that want to participate in a study regarding hygiene and COVID-19, a grocery study. So all of these studies are available right now, one on current events, and you will have to click on the link below this video to be a member so you can get started with these particular studies, and then you will get paid once they contact you, and then just make sure you participate and complete the entire study to receive your payment. So let me share with you all some work at home jobs. Oh, real quickly. If you would like to get paid to do laundry from your home, then there's a company that will pay you to do this. They need what they would call you as a provider to pick up the laundry, wash it and dry it, fold it, iron it, all of that in your home, and then deliver it to people in your area, and you can get paid to do this. So this is a really interesting and also unique work at home opportunity, but it could be good for those who are looking to make some extra money on the side, or if you've recently been out of work due to coronavirus and you're looking for something that you could do, not a lot of pressure, and you don't mind doing laundry anyway, then you can definitely take advantage of this opportunity right now. Make sure you read the post here. It's on my homepage, but I'll leave a link to it right below this video. So in the weekly job section, here's what I found for this previous week. Now, I found a few data entry jobs. The first one comes from TPS Group, and they're looking for tech-savvy individuals to enter testing information regarding COVID-19, and you're going to enter all those results for the cast and crew, and it says it pays $30 to $40 an hour. There's a resume required. Click here to find out more information about that, and if you need a resume, click here, and then it'll take you to the resume page on my site where you can create one for free and have one so that you can send to them. Also, there is another data entry job coming from Machine Tracking System, looking for computer savvy individuals that can type fast, and you will basically type in data from customers and create these spreadsheets and send them back to them. So you will need fast typing skills. Another one, this is from AAA. They're looking for people to take roadside calls and, of course, make sure that those individuals who may need assistance, that you make sure that you support and assist them with that and ensure dispatch. You do need 1 year experience and basic typing and computer skills, and must be empathetic, and it's full-time with benefits. Another work-at-home job that's non-phone, that's really simple, is from Lionbridge, and they're looking for native English speakers to identify grammar issues in sentences. So basically here you just need good English grammar skills. That's really all. If you have some experience creating content or writing English or writing articles or something like that, that would be good. But this is a great entry-level work-at-home job that you can do, work pretty much your own set and work your own schedule. So if you're interested in doing that, make sure you click on that link to go ahead and apply. Another data entry job, comes from Wider Circle. I'm sorry. I have all my contacts today, not my glasses, so I can't see that well. But you're going to enter data from health-related data from various sources into the computer system. So here you need 1 year experience keying large amounts of data entry accurately, and it's full-time with benefits. Also, some other jobs that I found that I thought you would be interested in comes from site staff. They need chat hosts to work from home, and basically, you know how those chat box comes up if you're on a website and you need some assistance, and someone will pop up or you hear a beep, and then it'll say, how can I help you? And you type in your response, and they communicate with you through the chat box, typing in also their answer to that. That's what you're going to be doing here at Site Chaff. And in order to do this, you have to type 65 words a minute to 75 words a minute and have good grammar skills and be able to multitask. Now, they have really good reviews from people who work there, and some people continue to work there, so it's a possibility for long-term work. So if you'd like to give that a try, remember it's non-phone. Make sure you go ahead and apply online. Telelanguage has this new job too for customer service. They just posted it a couple days ago, less than a week ago. They need you to take calls from clients that need help with for interpreting services. And so you have to type 45 words a minute. You will need 3 references, and it requires 1 year work from home or remote experience or a call center experience. So if you don't have any call center experience, but you have some kind of work at home experience, you would still qualify, and it pays $13 an hour with benefits. Mod Squad is also looking for moderators to work from home, so make sure you give that a try if you're interested in doing that. Louis Vuitton, they're looking for people with luxury clientele or relevant skills to answer some incoming contacts. And you can use Wi-Fi here, but you will have to work weekends. There's a work-at-home job for Modsy that starts in 10 days, and you're going to answer inquiries, provide information, troubleshoot account issues, and do data entry. And so they're hiring people to work from home. Also, Yardi Matrix is hiring again for their fall rent survey. And so they need people to call apartment communities and ask a variety of questions regarding rent specials, and anything related to that nature. So you will play the role of a potential renter, and that's how you're going to be able to gather information. You're not going to rent an apartment, but this is just a way for you to be able to get the information from those businesses, and they do allow for background noise. So it doesn't pay a whole lot, but if you, are looking for an entry-level job and you don't have any experience, and you want something that you can do and you have noise in the background, whether it be children, pets, or all of the above, then you can apply to this job and not have to worry about having a quiet work environment, as many companies do require. So I am going to go here to the Friday freebie page because there are some other jobs that I found that I wanted to share with you too that I posted today. Remember, the jobs that I showed you recently, there are more. I just highlighted a few that I thought you would be interested in. But some that I posted today, these two jobs here have an immediate need. Sykes and Sutherland Global. They're looking for seasonal retail customer service reps that can speak on the phone and use a computer to assist their customers. You also need a USB headset and a monitor, and Sutherland Global needs people to help. You're going to help other people make the best use of their technology. So, of course, this job is going to require you to be tech savvy and multitask. Also, there's some other jobs. Disney's actually hiring people to work from home, paying $12 an hour, working 28 hours a week to help their shoppers with any kind of issues, questions that they may have. And Go Cardless needs people to work nights. You will handle incoming calls and emails to deliver great service to them. Wi-Fi is allowed. And then there are other jobs here. So just make sure if you're looking for specifically a data entry job, go to the weekly job section. You're going to find some here, as well as you're going to find more on the Friday freebie page. But just continue to scroll down because some of them still may have openings that you can apply to online. So don't forget to check that out and make sure you apply. Now I want to show you something really quickly. I'll leave the links to both of these right below this video. I'm also going to share with you, come back to my blog this weekend, because I'm going to share with you some of these other high-paying studies that I found online if you're interested in doing that too. Also, real quickly, I just wanted to show you on QME, if you haven't used it yet and you're looking for a way to make money today and get paid today, sign up with QME. I'll have the link below this video, but if you get those 5, remember I was telling you about the 5 piggies across the board. If you're able to get that, what that means is now you see you get a little bit of an increase on how much you're going to make. So it seems like to me the more they offer you, then you'll get a little bit more of an incentive. So here they're giving you just a couple, 4 more cents extra to do this one, but this one is a little bit more. So it can be to your advantage if you log in and use the site every day and make sure you take the daily polls. If and when they have them, just log in throughout the day. And it's worth it to be active on this site because they will reward you for being loyal and coming back every day and completing some of those surveys. So hopefully if you join QME today, you'll be able to get paid. If you're active with these surveys, and also install their browser and search the web. So make sure you give it a try. It pays instantly. So if you need some extra cash, give it a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to leave me your comments about the live chat this Thursday at 11 o'clock. If it works for you, please let me know. If it doesn't, please let me know that too, and what time would work for you. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and weekend. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video.